what's up? So I'm so excited to come to you today with a brand new video. And the reason why I'm so excited, you guys, is because if you don't know me, I love Harry Potter. I just got done binge watching all of the movies all over again. I really, really love Harry Potter. And so I thought you guys would like to share with me in my enjoyment of Harry Potter, because I wanted to introduce that on my channel. And so I actually picked up a few things. So if you see this here, these are actually Harry Potter makeup brushes. So if you look at the ends, they all come individually wrapped. I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. So here they are. These are the handles, these are the ends, and these are so adorable, you guys. I absolutely love them. And you guys, so front and back, these have such a nice weight. They're actually really heavy. And it's such, metal. It's so beautiful, so beautiful. I want to kind of give you a close-up on these. They're so cute, you guys. Okay. Adorable. I'm going to show you the brushes in just a minute. So I actually got 2 sets of these. And these are the makeup brushes that actually come. There are some blending brushes. Okay, I feel like they're so, okay, so here's one. This is like an angled blending brush, you guys know. Then we have this one here. Of course, like your standard blending brush. This one here. And here. I do think it's a little weird that this one's pink. But hey, I'm so happy with them. So this is the first pack. These were super affordable, you guys. Well, depending on, they're affordable in my opinion. So this is the next pack. It came just in a package like this, no signature on it. I did have to buy these separately. They come from 2 different companies, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so these all came individually wrapped as well, and these are what this looks like. So I think that this is so beautiful, so cute. Okay, so let's look at these one at a time. Look at that. Come on. Is that not so cute? Let me show you this one. And then this is the top. And then we have here. And this is the top. And so the rest of these are wands. Well, they're all wands, but. And these feel really good. They feel really dense and pretty soft. Not really dense, but pretty soft. And so here's the top. So in this bundle, this actually has 12, I believe. And I think this one has 5. This one has 5, but I'm gonna be using these today. So stay tuned because you guys, these are gonna be my new favorite brushes. Depending on how they apply, because the brush quality still has to be there. But I'm so excited for these. So let's give you one last look at these. Okay, these are my Harry Potter. Okay. All right, so I'm just gonna touch up my eyeshadow here. I don't have anything else on my face other than primer and then the foundation. I do want to kind of show you some new products. Okay guys, so not only are we introducing these new Harry Potter makeup brushes, but I have some new eyeshadow palettes that we're going to be working on today because I did place an order. Okay, so these are the new eyeshadow products, and these are from Cara Beauty. So I have been eyeing this eyeshadow palette for months, and I can't tell you exactly why I didn't pick this one up. However, I mean, it's so beautiful, you guys. Kind of look at this color story. So beautiful. And I ordered this off the site. I had seen about her for a while, but I just wasn't sure about the quality. So I really love this because I love how deep her skin tone is. I love all the colors. I love her hair. I love her herringbone necklace. I love the hoops. It just gave me. You know what I'm saying? I feel like I was able to look at this and see someone that, I mean, look close to my heart. So I was so excited. So I'm excited to work with this today. The next one is this. It's La Reina AZTECA, which is the Queen Aztec. So here. And I think this is so beautiful, you guys. Get into it. If you don't know me, like, I love everything about like history, about different cultures. And one of my favorite is always like the Aztec natives and the Mayans. I actually one of my goals is to go to the ruins. So hopefully I'll be able to do that. But I am excited. I think I'm gonna work in a little bit of both of these today. I did order some lip pencils. Little disappointed though, because I was hoping these will be more brown based instead of like red maroon based, because I have a ton of pencils like that. But that was my mistake. It's not anything on the quality of these, so I'll be using these. I don't know if I'm gonna use these today, but I do have them, and these were only like $2. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna go into this one, and I'm gonna kind of pull that back. These are what the colors look like, and I'm so in love. So I'm gonna go into, I'm just gonna choose a fluffy blending brush, and I'm gonna go into one of these wands here. Let me just kind of make sure I'm okay. So the first color I'm actually gonna go into is gonna be it's this yellow here. It's called Red Carpet. So I'm gonna go into Red Carpet, that top yellow. And I actually think I'm gonna use this mirror. There is a mirror on this side, but I just didn't show it to you guys. Okay, so now that I've gone in with that color, I'm gonna take this here And I'm actually gonna go into this bright green here, which is actually, oh, sorry, this is not red carpet. This is first look. But I'm gonna go into this mojito color here and start blending that into my crease. Okay, so next I'm gonna go into this here, and I'm gonna go into this olive green color here, and I'm gonna kind of bring that in on the sides. Okay, you guys, so I am just kind of making sure that this is the way that I want it to be. All right. So I'm gonna go into this palette here, and let me not blind you guys with this light. I'm gonna go into this color here to go on my eyelids. So I did say this one, yeah, that one right there. So I'm just gonna take this brush here and we're gonna see. Okay, so that's pretty bright, but I'm actually gonna go in with some setting spray and see if I can make it more intense. And this is the Maven. Don't really know how I feel one way or the other about it. It's basic. So the only thing that I will say about this is it's kind of hard to grab these chunky handles. You kind of have to do like this, and I kind of feel like it's a little difficult for me. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with that green and just kind of blend that out. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I've wet this brush. I'm gonna go back into this color here. What's the name of this? Chile, and it's gonna be, why did I say Chile like that? Chile, well it is Chile, like Chilean. But I'm gonna go in here. All right. All right, so now that I have the base of my eyes done, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my concealer. Today we are gonna be using the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my blending brush, or blending sponge. So I'm actually doing this to kind of dewy up my skin and get the product to be able to move around a lot more. I've been doing that a whole lot more lately. This is the Camo Concealer. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I know that I've been doing a lot of green looks lately, but baby, I've been loving it. So what do I think about these palettes from Cara Beauty? I think that the aesthetic is very pleasing. I love how deep her skin is. I love that she's a brown girl and she is giving it. I really love that. The eyeshadows I feel like are pretty good. I mean, I'm pretty happy with the formula of this. It's pretty blendable. I would have kind of hoped that this was like a little bit brighter, but I feel like I could, you know, give it some oomph. I could use setting spray to do this. I do have deeper skin, so hey, that's that. These came out so beautiful. I mean, I really, really like these. This is absolutely gorgeous. I know you guys can kind of see that there. So I'm overall happy with it. But you guys, this one. So let me show y'all the size between the two. Do y'all see this? Okay, so this one is smaller and I'm not mad. At first I was like, oh, I was hoping this was gonna be bigger, but baby, do you see this color on my lid? Okay, let me tell you something. These pack punch, okay? So this color that I use down is the third down. It is Chile, and this one, y'all, this set it over the top for me. It set it over the top, and I'm so thankful. And yes, you are the queen, okay? Because this is Queen AZTECA palette, and I think that is so very beautiful. I'm very happy with everything. The lip product that I use, this lip pencil from Cara Beauty, was like $2, and even though I was a little weird about the fact that it had like a reddish maroon undertones, this is gorgeous. It came on. It was very easy to line my lips with. It wasn't super drying. This was cute, okay? Very cute. Now, if I'm gonna come through and kind of talk to you guys about all of my beautiful new Harry Potter, eyeshadow brushes, I'm very happy with these. They blended out pretty well. I only had one little bristle or hair that came out, and it was here, and it was pretty okay. I mean, I've seen worse. So, but these are pretty standard. I feel like these are good for like BH Cosmetics. I mean, comparable. I mean, I don't know 100%. I mean, yeah, like BH Cosmetics, maybe Luxie. So still good quality brushes. I'm happy with this, and I'm so in love with all of these. So I have a ton of these. I will try to link these in the description. I'm gonna find the link and link it in the description box. And I will also link these. So I'm very happy with my purchase, with this video. I'm super happy with everything. I wanted to tell you guys, thank you for supporting my channel. We have seen growth, and thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for liking, thank you for commenting. We have goals, you guys. I love talking to you guys. I love when you comment. I love when you are entertained by this video or you follow along. So leave your comments down below. What do you think about it? Are you so tired of seeing me doing green? Because girl, it hits every time though. So I'm super excited, you guys. And what do you think about these? Are you going to be picking these up? What do you think? Oh, these kind of retail for around $20, $25. I think this was $23. I think this was $25. But I'm not 100% sure, but I will link them. And I'm super happy, you guys. So thank you so much again. I love you, family. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.